It's like a tomato celebration today, you know? So like I said last week, August is a month for tomatoes. What I mean by that is eating tomatoes fresh, not necessarily like tomato sauce or anything, but just enjoying them in their purest form. And another recipe that comes to mind, Caprese salad, tomato mozzarella salad, classic Italian dish, straight out of Capri. So I've got some heirloom tomatoes. I have a few varieties of cherry tomatoes. I've got fresh mozzarella ball, and then little bocconcini. My thought process is there's really two ways to sort of enjoy a tomato mozzarella salad. One version being in the ball form using cherry tomatoes and bocconcini, little mozzarella balls. And then sort of like the classic circle stack or spread out whole tomatoes with a ball of mozzarella. So I thought I'd combine both of them, show you how I would do it. I think it would just look nice too. So let's get into it. Season everything throughout. Just gonna put it all together now. I think that the best way to enjoy Caprese salad is with a balsamic reduction. This packs a big flavor. It's kind of a pain to make on your own, but if you find a good one, it's just as good. The key is to look at the ingredients. It's just concentrated balsamic vinegar and pure cane sugar. If you go and find a balsamic reduction, you'll look and you'll see there's all sorts of food coloring and nonsense in there. The less ingredients, the better. General rule of thumb in anything you're buying from the grocery store. And then of course we're just gonna put olive oil and salt and pepper. I'm just picking off like the medium-sized leaves, reserving the huge ones. I don't like the huge ones. And then keeping the smaller leaves for the smaller Caprese salad. Oh man, combination of the heirloom tomatoes and the cherry tomatoes. Like these tomatoes are the most delicious things you've ever had. They're just like the sweetest things. They're candy. And on top of the balsamic and the seasoning and the mozzarella, there really is no other combination like it. Isn't it amazing how Italian food somehow just makes the colors of the Italian flag? I think that's amazing. As always, I want you to go to the farmer's market and get your tomatoes. There's a stunning difference. I'm going to repeat myself over and over again until you believe me, but if you are anything like me, you didn't like tomatoes normally. In fact, you avoided them. I believe that's because you, not all of you, like I was until I was like 23, never really tasted what a real tomato is supposed to taste like until I went to the farmer's market and tried it myself. My life changed. Like a tomato celebration today, you know? As always, thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it always. I hope everybody's well, and I'll see you next time.